Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Pranams to the lotus feet of Sri Chandrasekharendra Saraswati Swamigal and to the Kanchi Kamakoti Peetham. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me an immense pleasure to extend you a very warm welcome on behalf of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, who has clubbed all of us for the Virtual Women's Day celebration 2021. International Women's Day is a global day celebrating the social, economic, cultural, and political achievements of women. The day also marks a call to action for accelerating gender parity. Marked annually on March 8th, International Women's Day is one of the most important days of the year to celebrate women's achievements, raise awareness about women's equality, lobby for accelerated gender parity, fundraise for female-focused charities. International Women's Day is not a country, a group, nor an organization specific. No one government, NGO, charity, corporation, academic institution, or media hub is solely responsible for International Women's Day. So, make International Women's Day your day and do what you can to truly make a positive difference for women. I welcome all the faculties, participants, and students for the virtual celebration, and thanks for joining us online. So, let us not wait and start this wonderful evening with the blessings of Almighty. Anandamrita Karshini Anandamrita Karshini Anandamrita Karshini Amritavarshini Anandamrita Karshini Amritavarshini Haradi Pujite Shive Bhavaniya Nandamrita Karshini Shri Nandanadi Samrakshini Shri Nandanadi Samrakshini Shri Guru Guha Janani Chidrupini Shri Nandanadi Samrakshini Shri Guru Guha Janani Chidrupini Sananda Hridaya Nilaye Sadaye Sananda Hridaya Nilaye Sadaye Satya Sravishtiye Tave Tvam Satatam Chetaye Amriteshwari Salila Varshaya 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 Sa Gama Pani Sani Nipa Mamaga Sa Nipa Nini Sani Sa Gama Pa Maga Sa Gama Pa Gama Pani Pani Sa Ga Sa Nipa Maga Sani Pa Maga Sa Gama Pa Gama Pani Pani Sa Ga Sa Nipa Maga Sani Pa Maga Nanda Mrita Karshini Now, I would like to invite the faculty coordinator, Ms. M. Gayatri, to deliver the welcome address.
Women of the world want and deserve an equal future free from stigma, stereotypes, and violence. A future that's sustainable, peaceful, with equal rights and opportunities for all. To get us there, the world needs women at every table where decisions are being made. Very good evening to one and all present here, and thank you for joining us today on the Virtual Women's Day Celebration 2021. Before we get started, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to all of our students who generously helped us to make this event come together to become a success. This is the first celebration in the history of our department and university as well, which is completely conducted on digital platforms due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Women, they are given equal opportunity at work and are allowed to stand among and at times ahead of men in many fields. Women today have begun realizing their strength and abilities are ready to step out of their homes, contributing to the success of their home and the entire society. We are moving towards an exhilarating time in history where the world accepts gender balance. Now the world notices their absence and celebrates their presence. To conclude, it feels nice to have a day to celebrate the achievements of women. Thus, on this International Women's Day, let's recognize the significance of women in our lives and on society and inspire them for greater future achievements, as they can contribute equally to the home, society, and nation. To celebrate, appreciate, respect, and love towards women, Women's Day celebration is organized today virtually. I would like to appreciate the efforts of all the students who have been participating to showcase their talents. We have been fortunate that there was support from all the sides, especially the management, to help organizing the event in such a short notice, and Chairman of Women's Cell from our university to join with us today. For the participants and the students who are working at the backstage. Finally, I would like to say that may everyone enjoy this Women's Day and gather some wonderful and cheerful memories. Thank you all.
మగువా మగువా లోకానికి తెలుసా నీ విలువా మగువా మగువా నీ సహనానికి సరిహద్దులు కలవా అటు ఇటు అన్నింటా నువ్వే జగమంతా పరుగులు తీస్తావు ఇంట బయట అలుపని రవ్వంతా అననే అనవంట వెలుగులు పూస్తావు వెళ్ళేదారంతా మగువా మగువా లోకానికి తెలుసా నీ విలువా మగువా మగువా నీ సహనానికి సరిహద్దులు కలవా నీ కాటుక కనులు విప్పారకపోతే ఈ భూమికి తెలవారదుగా నీ గాజుల చేయి కదలాడకపోతే ఏ మనుగడ కొనసాగదుగా ప్రతి వరుసలోను ప్రేమగా అందుకున్న బంధమా అంతులేని నీశమా అంచనాల కందున ఆలయాలు కోరని ఆదిశక్తి రూపమా నీవు లేని జగతిలో దీపమే వెలుగునా నీదగులాలనలో ప్రియమగు పాలనలో ప్రతి ఒక్క మగవాడు పసివాడేగా ఎందరి పెదవులలో ఏ చిరునవ్వున్నా ఆ సిరి మెరుపులకు మూలం నువ్వేగా మగువా మగువా లోకానికి తెలుసా నీ విలువా మగువా మగువా నీ సహనానికి సరిహద్దులు కలవా
சீருங்கள் வாருங்கள் வாருங்கள் பூமியின் கோலங்கள் இது உங்கள் காலம் இனிமேல் உலகம் பார்க்க பாகுது மனிதியின் வீரங்கள் செய்த கூட்டம் ஒரு நாள் உன்னை வணங்கிடும் உயர்ந்து நில்லு ஏறு 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 நெஞ்சில் வலிமை கொண்டு ஏறு உன்னை பெண் என்று கேலி செய்த கூட்டம் ஒரு நாள் உன்னை வணங்கிடும் உயர்ந்து நில்லு
சிங்கப்பெண்ணே சிங்கப்பெண்ணே ஆடினமே உன்னை வணங்குமே நன்றி கடன்
தீர்ப்பதற்கே கருவிலே உன்னை ஏந்துமே செய்த கூட்டம் ஒரு நாள் உன்னை வணங்கிடும் உயர்ந்து நில்லு அன்னை தங்கை மனைவி என்று நீ அடித்த வியர்வை உங்கள் பாதைக்குள் பற்றும் அந்த தீயை அணைக்கும் நீ பயமின்றி துணிந்து செல்லு என்று ஊரே சொல்லும் நம்பாது பரிதாபம் காட்டும் எந்த வர்க்கத்தோடும் கிடையாது உன்னால் முடியாது என்று ஊரே சொல்லும் நம்பாது பொய் பரிதாபம் காட்டும் எந்த வர்க்கத்தோடும் கிடையாது உலகத்தின் வழி எல்லாம் வந்தால் என்ன முன்பே பிரசவத்தின் வழியை தாண்ட பிறந்த
forward, now I would like to take the honor of inviting Dr. R. Malati, Associate Professor in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, SCSV University. She have a teaching experience of 23 years at many academic institutions. She have been associated with SCSV University from September 2009. She have an experience of guiding UG and PG products and also working with renewable energy sources. She have been given the responsibility of the chairperson of the Women's Cell since 2019. Now, I would request her to speak about this auspicious event.
Good morning to all. Happy Women's Day to everyone. Today is the International Women's Day, which is celebrated on 8th of March every year. It is a day that people around the world dedicated to the women in their lives. Women's Day celebrates the importance and significance of women in every person's life. It's a day where women are recognized and celebrated in their fields. These women have a fierce and robust spirit which makes them excel in their respective areas. They deserve all the love and support that the world gives on this day. The contribution of women in every sphere of life is massive. They contribute to the lives of their family members as well as the country. I would like to share a few words about the importance and significance of women in family life and to the society. A society is better when women are not taken for granted and are given equal respect. In the olden days, women were confined to the home and were not allowed to step out of the house for work. Household chores were their only area of work. But today's society has seen a lot of changes. This generation values women and trusts with amazing responsibility. Women are giving equal potential at work and are allowed to stand among and sometimes ahead of men in many fields. Today, women have started realizing their strengths and abilities are ready to step out of their home, contributing to the success of their home and the entire society. They are indeed making the world turn heads towards them. Before it was not possible and now it is possible and they are doing it today. You can see women reaching greater heights and even traveling to space. They are entering into all fields and are making success everywhere they go. Today, woman is no longer dependent. She is self-reliant and independent in every aspect and are capable of doing everything equal to men. We have to respect women not because of the gender but for their own identity. We have to accept that both men and women contribute equally to the betterment of the home and society. It is the woman who brings life. Every woman is special, no matter where she works, at home or in office. She is making a difference to the world around her and most importantly plays a major role in upbringing children and building a home. So it is a day to honor the women who are making success in their life and bringing success into the life of other women and those around her. So on this International Women's Day, let's recognize the importance of women in our lives and to the society and motivate them for greater future achievements. Thank you.
Thank you for such an inspiring speech, ma'am. Moving forward, I would like to invite Mrs. J. Sengamala Selvi, a member of the Women's Cell, an academician in mathematics and its various pure and applied branches, spans a career of more than 20 years, educating students across various age groups from schooling till post-graduation. She has handled math subject across almost all branches of engineering, technology, arts and science, which even includes service operation management and managerial decision making too. To her credit, she holds 20 journal publications which comprises of Indian and international standard journals and has diligently presented almost 30 papers across various institutions, symposiums and technical meetups. Her participation in such presentations was not only as an attendee but also as a host for numerous inter and intra-college activities across her career. In the teaching line, which involve her dynamic roles as a judge, a member in organizing committees of various events, examiner, questionnaire, and so on. Now, I would like ma'am to speak about the importance of this day.
My name is Dr. J. Chengamala Chelvi, working as an assistant professor in SCSV ME Kanjipuram. First of all, thank you all for giving me this opportunity to be a part of this program, and I am privileged to take about women's empowerment as it is much needed today. We, women, must be proud of ourselves for being born as women. In simple words, empowerment for women can be described as making women empowered so that they can make their own decisions about their lives and well-being in family and society. It empowers women to allow them to obtain their true rights in society. As we all know, India is a male-dominated nation where males are dominant in all areas and females are required to be solely responsible for family care and life at home, including many other constraints. About 50% of India's population is protected by the woman only, so the country's full development depends on the of population. That means women who are not empowered and still restricted by many social cases of abuse. In this situation, we cannot assume that in the future of our nation would be established without empowering its of population means women. If we want to make our country a developed country, first of all, by the actions of men, state, laws and people, it is very important to empower women. Women's needed for equality emerged from ancient domination in Indian society. For many reasons, women are being oppressed by members of their families and societies. They were also abused by the male members in the family and society in India and other countries for many types of violence and discriminatory practices. Wrong and outdated habits have taken the form of well-developed customs and traditions for women in society from ancient times. In India, there is a tradition of worshipping many female goddesses, including honoring women roles in society such as mother, aunt, son, wife and other female relatives or friends. But it does not mean that the country's need for growth can only be fulfilled by respecting or honoring women. It needs quality in every way of life for the rest of the countries of population. India is a renowned nation that confirms the famous proverb, unity is a plurality, where citizens of many religious beliefs are in Indian society. Women have been given a special place in every religion, which act as a wide veil covering people's size and helping to perpetuate many evil practices against women, including physical and mental, as a norm for ages. There was a tradition in ancient Indian culture of Sati Pradha, Nagarvadhu system, dowry system, sexual violence, domestic violence, female infanticide, Vardha Pradha, wife burning, workplace sexual harassment, child marriage, child labor, Devadasi Pradha, etc. All these kind of evil practices are attributable to society dynamic, male superiority and a practical structure. The male family members fully limited socio-political rights, right to work, right to education, the right to choose for themselves, etc. For women, the open-minded and good Indian people who raise their voices for the discriminatory practices against women have removed some of the ill practices against women. Through the Rajaram Mohan Roy's continuing efforts, British people were forced to eradicate Sati Pradha's ill customs. Subsequently, other well-known Indian social reformers, Chandrasekhar Vidyasagar, Acharya Vinoba, Swami Vivekananda, etc., have raised their voices and worked out to uplift Indian society goals. In India, the 1856 Widow Remarriage Act was introduced by Aishwarya Chandra Vidyasagar, continuing efforts to improve the country's widows' condition. Over the past 5 years, the Indian government has introduced numerous constitutional and legal protection to eradicate unethical practices and sexual discrimination against women. Nevertheless, the ongoing effort of everyone, including women, is needed to solve such a big issue. Modern society is more conscious of women's rights, contributing to the increasing number of self-help groups, NGOs, etc. Working in this direction, women are more open-minded and break the barriers to society to achieve their rights in all dimensions, even after crimes go side by side. Some of the acts adopted by Parliament are the Equal Remuneration Act 1976, Dowry Prohibition Act 1961, Impossible Traffic Act 1956, Medical Cancellation of Pregnancy Act 1971, Maternity Benefit Act 1961, Commission of Sadi Act 1987, Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006, Preconception and Prenatal Diagnostic Techniques, that is Regulation and Prevention of Misuse Act 1994, to order to empower women with legal rights, sexual harassment of women at work, Prevention, Security and Act 2013, etc. My speech, my wishing you all a very happy Women's Day, a virtual hug from me to all those women who are fighting for their life and also lifting up society standard as well. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I am Dr. T. Lakshmi Bai, Assistant Professor, Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, SESVMB University. I am very happy to share few of my thoughts with you during this auspicious day, March 8th, that is Women's Day. Empowering the woman is the most required one that we must do to promote the world to be healthier and more prosperous. The new definition of woman is W, woman, the W, wheel of family, O, ocean of knowledge, M, mirror of children, A, address of love, and N, navigator of lifeboat. This is woman. Our Indian culture provides utmost respects to the woman. Many of our gods are female and we are worshipping them. For example, the goddess of knowledge is Saraswati, the goddess of power and strength is Durga, and the goddess of wealth is Lakshmi. Not only as God, we have more living examples right from 15th century. The history of Indian women have broken gender barriers and worked hard for their rights and made progress in their own field. Let us celebrate some of these Indian women in this occasion. Number 1. Anandibai Gopal Rao Joshi became the first Indian female physician in the year 1887 and served people in Western medicine. Number 2. Rani Lakshmibai, of one of the bravest Indian women, is an epitome of bravery and courage. She is remembered for being ferocious and brave. Roshini Sharma recently became first Indian woman to ride a motorbike from Kanyakumari to Kashmir. Sheila Davera, first auto rickshaw driver when she first stepped into the men-dominated zone in the year 1988. Arunima Singha, first female amputee to climb Mount Everest. Mithali Raj, who scored double hundred in Test cricket, was the first to achieve this landmark in the world. Mother Teresa gave her life to social work, who became the first woman to win the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979. Indira Gandhi, the first woman Prime Minister of India, was named as the Woman of the Millennium, who was the first woman to receive the Bharat Ratna Award. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian woman who reached in space as a mission specialist and a primary robotic arm operator who went into space in 1997. Kiran Bedi, the first woman IPS officer of India. Pachendri Pal, the first Indian woman to reach the summit of Mount Everest in 1984. She led expeditions with the team comprising of only women in Indo-Nepalese Women's Mount Everest Expedition, the Great Indian Women's Rappelling Voyage, and first Indian woman Trans-Himalayan Expedition. Why I am saying about these famous personalities? They are all your inspiration. You must learn the guts from them, and you have to turn your life to face any challenge boldly and you meet in your life. Some of the tips I will tell you for your healthy growth. Number 1, first you should have growth mindset. What is mindset? It is a habitual or characteristic mental attitude that determines how you will interpret and respond to situation. Growth mindset people are those who believe that their abilities can be developed through hard work, good strategies, and mentorship, and contribute to outstanding achievements. Number two, the tip number two, your attitude towards time reflects on your personality. You should manage your time efficiently. Arnold H. Glasow said, success is simple. Do what's right the right way at the right time. Number three, there are 3 C's of life is make choice, take chance, change your life for better. The first C is the make choice. Second C is the take chance. Third C is the change your life for betterment. To make your own choice, you should not say yes when you want to say no. That is very important. You don't say yes when you want to say no. Between fear and growth, always choose growth. The fourth tip, be assertive always. That is, assertiveness is the ability to express yourself and your rights without violating the rights of others. It is direct, open, and honest communication which is self-enhancing and expressive. To conclude my speech with the Carl Jung quotes, he says, your vision will become clear only when you can look into your own heart. Who looks outside, they dreams. Who looks inside, they awakes. Who looks outside, they dreams. Who look inside, awakes. You knowing your own darkness is the best method for dealing with the darkness of the people. Happy Women's Day. Jai Hind.
அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். என் பெயர் அபிராமி. நான் சிஎஸ்சி 3ஆம் ஆண்டு பயில்கிறேன். இன்று மகளிர் தினத்தை பற்றி பேச வந்துள்ளேன். என் தாய் திருநாட்டின் மலர்ந்திருக்கும் அனைத்து பெண்களுக்கும் சர்வதேச மகளிர் தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்களையும் என் வணக்கங்களையும் தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். இந்த நாட்டின் வளர்ச்சிக்கும் முன்னேற்றத்துக்கும் பெண்களின் பங்களிப்பு மிக முக்கியமானது. பெண்களின் சமூக, பொருளாதார, கலாச்சார மற்றும் அரசியல் சாதனைகளை கொண்டாடும் வகையில் சர்வதேச மகளிர் தினம் மார்ச் 8ஆம் தேதி இவ்வுலகமெங்கும் கொண்டாடப்பட்டு வருகிறது. பெண்களின் நிலையில் முன்னேற்றம் ஏற்படாத வகையில் இவ்வுலகம் வளர்ச்சி அடைந்ததாக கருத வாய்ப்பில்லை. ஊர்பக்க சிறகை கொண்டு மட்டுமே பறவையால் பறக்க இயலாது என்று அருமையாய் கூறியுள்ளார் சுவாமி விவேகானந்தர். அதுபோல் இன்று பெண்கள் அனைத்து துறைகளிலும் முன்னணியாக திகழ்கிறார்கள். உதாரணம், பொறியியல், மருத்துவம், ஊடகம், பாதுகாப்பு, விளையாட்டு, நிதி, தொழில்நுட்பம் அல்லது கலைகள் எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் அவர்கள் காலடி வைக்காத ஒரு துறையும் கண்டுபிடிப்பது மிக கடினமாகும். பெண்களின் அதிகாரம் என்பது குடும்பத்தின் பொருளாதார மற்றும் நிதி முடிவுகளுக்கு பெண்கள் சுயமாக முடிவெடுப்பது மட்டுமில்லாமல் சமூகத்தின் அனைத்து பிரிவுகளிலும் பெண்கள் தங்கள் சொந்த முடிவுகளை எடுக்க ஊக்குவிப்போம். அதுவே சிறந்த பெண் அதிகாரம் ஆகும். உலகில் உள்ள அனைத்து பெண்களையும் மதிப்புடனும் மரியாதையுடனும் நடத்துங்கள். இந்த உலகில் நீங்கள் பிறந்திட காரணமும் ஒரு பெண்தான் என்பதை நினைவு கொள்ளுங்கள். பெண்ணே, நீ தோல்விகள் பல கண்டாலும் அதை தகர்த்து எழு. பல துயரங்கள் நீ கண்டாலும் அதை உடைத்து எழு. வலிகள் பல கண்டாலும் அதிலிருந்து மீண்டும் எழு. உன் வெற்றி இந்த விண்ணை எட்டும் வரை நீ போராடு. நன்றி.
from third year CSC. Basically, every day should be celebrated as Women's Day, but to honor their achievements, the UN has announced March 8th as International Women's Day. Also, this day is to acknowledge their courage in breaking the rigid stereotypes and getting out into this world as strong and powerful women. And the theme of this Women's Day is Choose to Challenge, which means that every individual is completely responsible for their own thoughts and actions. The theme further elaborates that from challenge comes the change. One can always call out for inequality and gender bias. And to seek out and celebrate the achievements of women, we all together can create an inclusive world. Thank you.
పలికిన మాటల్లోనే తీయని మాటే అమ్మా, కదిలే దేవత అమ్మా, కంటికి వెలుగమ్మా, తనలో మమతి కలిపి పెడుతోంది ముద్దగా, తన లాలి పాటలోని సరిగమ పంచుతోంది ప్రేమ మధురిమ, పెదవే పలికిన మాటల్లో తీయని మాటే అమ్మా, కదిలే దేవత అమ్మా, కంటికి వెలుగమ్మా, తనలో మమతి కలిపి పెడుతోంది ముద్దగా, తరలాలి పాటలోని సరిగమ పంచుతోంది ప్రేమ మధురిమ. మనలోని ప్రాణమ్మమ్మ, మనదైన రూపమ్మమ్మ, ఎనలేని జాలి గుణమే అమ్మా, నడిపించే దీపమ్మమ్మ, కరుణించే కోపమ్మమ్మ, వరమిచ్చే తీపి శాపమ్మమ్మ, నాలి అమ్మగా అవుతుండగా జోలాలి పాడన కమ్మగా కమ్మగా, పెదవే పలికిన మాటల్లోనే తీయని మాటే అమ్మా, కదిలే దేవత అమ్మా, కంటికి వెలుగమ్మా, తనలో మమతి కలిపి పెడుతోంది ముద్దగా, తన లాలి పాటలోని సరిగమ పంచుతోంది ప్రేమ మధురిమ. ఒత్తిళ్ళో ఎదిగే బాబు, నా ఒళ్ళో ఒదిగే బాబు, ఇరువురికి నేను అమ్మవనా, నా కొంగు పట్టేవాడు, నా కడుపున పుట్టేవాడు, ఇద్దరికి ప్రేమ అందించనా, నా చిన్ని నాన్నని వాడి నాన్నని నూరేళ్ళు సాగన, చల్లగా చల్లగా ఎదిగి ఎదగని ఓ పసికూన, ముద్దుల కన్నా జోజో, బంగారు తండ్రి జోజో, బజ్జో లాలి జో, పలికే పదమే వెనుక కనులారా నిదురపో, కలలోకి నేను చేరి తరుపరి పంచుతాను ప్రేమ మాధురి, ఎదిగి ఎదగని ఓ పసికు ముద్దుల కన్నా జోజో, బంగారు తండ్రి జోజో, బజ్జో లాలి జో, బజ్జో లాలి జో.
Hello everyone, I am Himavan, studying BTech second year in CSE department. On the occasion of Women's Day, I am going to perform a song, Magwa Magwa. Once again, happy Women's Day to all. మగువా మగువా లోకానికి తెలుసా నీ విలువా, మగువా మగువా నీ సహనానికి సరిహద్దులు కలవా, అటు ఇటు అన్నింటా నువ్వే జగమంతా, పరుగులు తీస్తావు ఇంట బయట, అల్లుపని రవ్వంతా అననే అనవంట, వెలుగులు పూస్తావు వెళ్ళే దారంతా. మగువా మగువా లోకానికి తెలుసా నీ విలువా, మగువా మగువా నీ సహనానికి సరిహద్దులు కలవా నీ కాటుక కలలు విప్పారకపోతే ఈ భూమికి తెలవారదుగా నీ గాజుల చేయి కదలాడకపోతే ఏ మనుగడ కొనసాగదుగా ప్రతి వరుసలోను ప్రేమగా అల్లుకున్న బంధమ అంతులేని నీశమా అంచనాల కందుమ ఆలయాలు కోరని ఆదిశక్తి రూపమా నీవు లేని జగతిలో దీపమే వెలుగునా నీడగులాలలో ప్రియమగు పాలనలో ప్రతి ఒక్క మగవాడు పసివాడేగా ఎందరి పెదవులలో ఏ చిరునవ్వున్నా ఆ సిరి మెరుపులకు మూలం నువ్వేగా మగువా మగువా లోకానికి తెలుసా నీ విలువా మగువా మగువా నీ సహనానికి సరిహద్దులు కలవా Thank you everyone for giving me this opportunity.
मेरा वंदन है। मेरा नाम वासवी हूँ। मैं 3rd ईयर CSE S1 से हूँ। आज दिन में अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहती हूँ। मुझे एक सवाल है, अगर हमारा सभी का सोच में असली वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट को क्या होते हैं, लेकिन आजकल हम सब सोच करते हैं कि ऐसा वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट ये होती है, लेकिन वुमेन सब रंगों में प्रवेश करती है, वो पुरुष के जैसे ही समान होती है, ये वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट है। लेकिन अगर वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट का असली मतलब ये बिल्कुल नहीं होता है। अगर वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट का भी अच्छी बात और उसका उद्देश्य ये होता है कि वुमेन को सशक्ति बनना, एक महिला सशक्ति होना। अगर एक महिला सशक्ति है तो वो कुछ भी कर सकती हूँ। एक महिला सशक्ति कैसा होता है कि उसको पढ़ाई में जाना है, लेकिन हमारा देश में कभी वुमेन लिटरेसी रेट 65% आई, लेकिन हम सब कोशिश करना है वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट को आगे बढ़ने के लिए। हम सब महिलाओं को पढ़ाई में जाना ज़रूरी है, लेकिन वो सब पढ़ाई में आने से वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट ज़रूर होगा। ये है मेरा मतलब। और मैं ये भी बताना है कि वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट होने के लिए हम सब ज़रूर से वुमेन को पढ़ाई में जाना चाहिए। धन्यवाद। यही मेरा प्रार्थना है कि हम सब वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट के लिए वुमेन को पढ़ाई में जाने के लिए सपोर्ट करना है। थैंक यू। धन्यवाद।
A perfect morning to everyone. This is Vaishnavi studying 2nd year CSE. Today is an auspicious occasion where we get a chance to acknowledge the importance of women and the hard work they put in every aspect of their lives. Today we are celebrating the International Women's Day. I am extremely glad to be given the opportunity to deliver the speech of this International Women's Day. First of all, I'd like to express my gratitude to the honorable members and organizers here. A wonderful mother, a loving daughter, a great sister, and a perfect teacher. And I wish you all the very happy Women's Day to everyone here. The International Women's Day is celebrated every year globally on 8th of March to honor the achievements of women in various fields. The aim of International Women's Day is not to celebrate once a year, but it is a reminder that men and women are equal and women have an identity of their own. Women's Day holds a great significance and it's becoming a custom today, year after year. It is the celebration of respect, appreciation, love, and care towards the women in your life and in the society. It is the glad that Women's Day is celebrated in schools and colleges nowadays, so that respect and care for the women are instilled into the minds of young generation and right from their childhood days. Empowering women is a great responsibility. It is necessary for gender equality. A society is better when we are not taking for granted and giving the equal respect. You can see women reaching greater heights and even traveling to space. They are entering into any fields in this world, are making success everywhere they go. Today's women are no longer dependent. She is independent in every aspect and are capable of doing everything equal to men. We have to respect women not because of their gender but for their own identity. We have to accept the both and women, men and women contribute equally to the betterment of home and the society. It is the woman who brings life. Every woman is special. No matter what she works or she is making a difference to the world around her and most importantly plays a major role in upbringing the children and building a home. It is our responsibility to appreciate and honor the women who are making the success in their life and bringing the success into the life of other women and those around her. It feels nice to have a celebration of Women's Day here. So on this International Women's Day, let us recognize the importance of women in your lives and to the society motivate them a greater future achievements. Thank you all.
Very good evening, one and all. It gives me an immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks for this event. I would like to thank our Dean, Engineering and Technology, and a mentor of Women's Cell, Dr. G. Sriram, for giving the permission to organize the event. And I would like to thank our HOD, Dr. M. Sendil Kumaran, for permitted to conduct the events. And I would like to thank our chairman of Women's Cell, Dr. R. Malati, and faculty members and students, participants, volunteers, and last but not the least, our audience for joining with us today and making this function as a grand success. Once again, I thank one and all. Thank you.